Guys, what's up? So it's day off number 2 and I'm going on a road trip heading to Portland. So we be going to Marley Falls and a few other places, and I'm taking you guys with me. So yeah. You good, Flex? You good? You enjoying the ride? We're baptized in the car today.
Baptized in what?
Huh?
But not driving to the river with a new car?
No, I never said to drive through any river, but like baptized meaning country.
Right on? Yep.
Yeah. So we stopped to take pics, but that was an epic fail. On to Cafe Blue. They're stopping at Cafe Blue to get beer because I asked him like, why you didn't take a 6-pack? And he's like, I'm driving with my mother, can't take a 6-pack. So like,
that's my boy, very respectful to his mother.
Okay, so we're stopping at Cafe Blue to get cheesecake.
Out of the bins.
So yeah, we're stopping at Cafe Blue. I heard cheesecake, and then I'm like, hey, cheesecake for sure. So cheesecake got us out of the car. And Cafe Blue is in Irishtown. A nice little cafe that's just sitting at the corner here. So you can speak.
I've passed the stage of coffee. You can go inside and have a look at all the cake. Look at the place.
No, not now. So I don't want
This
to.
This is a monument here in Jamaica.
Oh, go ahead. Jamaican coffee.
Yeah, because I don't think.
You like Jamaican coffee? So definitely. Jamaican rum cream.
Yeah.
All this food.
Cheesecake. It's so early for cheesecake. No, it's never too early for cheesecake. It's too early for cheesecake. It's never too early. I can never say cheesecake. And I can't be too early for cheesecake.
It is just cute for Valentine's Day.
But them bamboo, they want to stick out of the ground.
Like if one should fall down,
One would die.
it'd definitely die. But ain't this just cute? This is just like too cute. Like this right here.
Go this side.
Everything, no green peas, that's okay.
If I had a Valentine, this is what I'd be.
Mustard, just pepper jelly. Just pepper jelly. Alright.
But yeah.
Look at that pretty fella.
Remind me of when we went to Cane River. Remember that mountain peak that we took? Yeah, that peak made.
Well, I took the wrong turn like 3 times. Thank you for reminding me.
So these are the upcoming soldiers at training.
Let's just wait for Hans.
Yeah.
Oh, he's there.
He's there? Okay. So this is where the soldiers camp out. And what's this called?
Newcastle.
Newcastle.
Hier sind wir. Runter, hier runter. Hinter uns.
So that's it.
Hast du Kingston? Ja.
This little tiny road that we're driving on.
See? That is the original road. I actually parked here one day and walked up to the landslide. There's a footpath now. You can pass on foot.
Everybody behind.
Yeah, yeah. A landslide.
Landslide. Okay.
Yeah. Erdrutsch. Erdrutsch. Yeah.
And where are we now?
I don't know the name of the district. Could be Cascade, but I will say that for the next 5 kilometers.
Okay, so we just got to Silverhead Bridge, where there is a lovely falls here, and also a nice little rock pool. So it was a good drive. You enjoy the drive, Clay?
Very nice.
Yeah, so it was a long drive, and we're finally here. So look at it. There it is over there. Stop number 1.
I need to
You zoom in. So yeah, that's the falls, and this is the Silverhead Bridge. It's right here. The Germans over there looking over on the bridge. Oh, it's a nice view down here.
Those rocks, huh?
Yeah. How are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I enjoy it very much.
Enjoying it?
Enjoy it a lot, yeah.
Yeah. The falls is good.
You are filming the whole time, huh?
Well, most of it. So yeah, we're all walking down to the falls so that we can get a better view of the falls over there. So now you see why I love this and why I enjoy this so much. I have some girls that are bathing, but I can't video that. So yeah, the other stuff we have to go through. There we go. There we are. Oh, be careful.
One money left.
So yes, this is, there it is.
Well, this is part where I get my food. Can you make a photo from you? With your camera?
Sure.
Photos are good.
I'm coming. Nice. Okay. Yeah. But you can just tell me what the name of the falls is again?
Fish done.
Fish Done. And why they call it that?
Because no fish cannot pass it like a surrounding water.
No fish can pass it. Here? No fish can cross it. Yeah, but it's nice though. Okay, we're stopping to have another beer at the Rock Bar. So this is what a typical Jamaican corner bar looks like. With all the graffiti, all the sexy ladies, and then
Could you take a picture from us in front of the rock bar?
sure,
Because we are a rock band, you know.
you're a rock band. Oh, a rock band in front of the Rock Bar.
Yeah.
Okay. Germans in a Jamaican bar.
This is the dominoes table. Locals love to play dominoes.
Give you the tour. A typical Jamaican shop. You have crackers and all the baked feed down there. And then this is the bar. All the Jamaican liquor. And then the typical Jamaican scale. So everybody having a beer and chilling before we hit the road again.
Alright,
Ready for the road.
whenever you're ready.
Ready for the road.
To country we go.
To country we go. See you in a few. Can't get inside the vet. So we've stopped in Chepstowe, waiting for Kenny to arrive. Oh my god, look at my head. Are waiting to meet Kenny so that we can continue our journey. And this is where we are. No, oh my god, he said it. Like no cool beer.
Oh, next bar, bro.
I wish you were that way.
Almost every Jamaican bar has one of these.
I'm very sorry, I brought it.
When you down yourself, eh?
Yeah, thanks. So we're heading back out. Heading back out to continue our journey so that we can go have some fun. So yeah. Oh my god, I wonder if I can capture this and show you guys. Coal stove life. Let me just picture this, show you guys. Look at this. Hey, I have to get this on video. Huh? Oh, alright, when we're past what? Yeah, that's still up, right? So this is like
like rice or something.
no, maize, you know maize?
Maize, yeah.
Maize, yeah. So everybody gets in. Yeah, get one for me. Everybody gets in boiled corn. Showing a real Jamaican style.
100?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Look at that. That's life right there.
Very nice.
You liking it? Yeah.
Yeah, man, 2 more.
So what's your name?
Warren.
Warren?
Yeah, boss,
The corn man in Chepstowe. So anyway you come to Chepstowe, Portland, you have to get one of these.
When I wearing corn them.
Yeah.
I will come before it's too late, you know.
Because the corn done for you know everything changed.
What me say?
You're doing pretty well.
Yeah, you have to love me for these things, man.
No, stop it.
So yeah, we're now at Chepstowe, going to our little secluded waterfalls that we're bringing our friends to. Everybody there. And our little friends are down there. Gonna catch up with them now. Probably take them ahead on the hike. But yeah, and we have to remember, definitely have to walk with a lot of repellent because Zika is now in Jamaica and we do not want to catch that, you know. So yeah, look at my belly though. I swear my belly gained like 5 pounds from beer. Like this is my 4th bottle of beer right now. No mosquitoes biting, right?
Yes,
Oh, we have repellent. Yeah.
I already have.
Yeah, put some on because mosquitoes are like crazy down there.
Yeah?
Yeah, and we don't want no Zika. Because you heard of the Zika.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I think, don't know.
It's here.
It's here,
Yeah.
but and now it's in the mosquitoes too.
It's the mosquitoes that have it.
Oh, yeah. I don't believe.
You don't believe? Well, in Brazil, they must have some reason as to why they
Yeah.
are so.
I mean, yesterday, you know, downstairs, this band.
Yeah.
The drummer was really ill.
Not
Then
for the
also,
mosquito.
yeah, but not for the mosquitoes, but there's bad flu going around.
Oh, bed flu. Oh yeah, there's flu going
He
around
was
too.
really, maybe he has, yeah, don't know.
Get those mosquitoes off. And down there, the mosquitoes are like crazy.
Maybe later, no?
Everybody coming.
Mosquito here. Take hands.
Hey.
It's a walk in the park.
Yeah, it is.
Clearly, you never know what kind of park me walk in.
It's a walk in the park compared to Falling Edge waterfalls.
Thanks a lot.
You're
Compared to
welcome.
Falling Edge?
Yeah, man, walk in the park.
It's fun though.
So yeah, hike time. It's like a 5-minute hike to the waterfalls that we're going to, and then beauty awaits.
When you're having a walk in the park.
If you want to check out the full video of the falls that we're going to now, I'm going to post the link of the full video that's on my Mission the Explorer channel that you can check out. So yeah, that's like a coverage video of the falls itself when I came here the first time. So check that out. Just look at that.
Portable. Yeah.
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 Wow.
And then there's this big rock. He's walking with his rod. So there's everybody. Enjoying it?
Yeah, of course. No question.
No question. Yeah, that's a rock pool. Yeah, look at his face. Loving it. So there we are. We're here. So yeah, Mishka the dryland tourist. So we've come to another goodbye for Chepstowe. So sad to say goodbye, but bye-bye Chepstowe. Oh my god, Marley Falls as we call it. So this is Marley Falls as we call it because there's a thing saying Marley Hill. So we just call it Marley Falls. So goodbye Marley Falls in Chepstowe. See you next time. And everybody's getting ready to leave. Everybody on their way out. Now we're going to a beach in Rodney's Hall in Portland, and usually the beaches in Portland are awesome, so that should be quite fun. So y'all will get to see that. And I think something bit me. Like, I'm so paranoid. But yeah, so now we head out to go to the beach. See, they're already leaving. The flex is over there getting ready, and everybody getting ready to go to the beach. Beach day! So they're stopping to pick apple. Jamaican OTT apple.
Maybe you should show our German friends how they actually drink the
Do you wanna? Oh, you know? Yeah. Apfel?
Apfel.
Yeah, apfel.
But he says it looks like radish.
Jamaican apfel, yeah. Yeah. Thank
You
you.
want?
Thank
No,
you.
no, thank you.
So this is the Jamaican OTT apple.
This is a small one.
Yeah.
Bigger and redder.
Yeah, it gets bigger and redder when you can try it. How's it? Good? Nice.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah, it's because it's not fully ripe.
Mm.
Yeah, but it's
So the bananas that you see there,
yeah, those are
the green bananas, they are sold like that
Yeah.
for green, and people peel them and boil them. Have it for breakfast.
Yeah.
Boiled banana.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks lovely.
Got it? Yeah, man, good, huh?
Looks lovely. No, man.
Be careful when you're coming across the road. Yeah. Jamaican life, barefoot and everything. Are you liking it?
Huh?
Tastes good?
Yeah, it tastes really good.
Yeah. Jamaican style, you're real Jamaican now, you know that? Say yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Trust me, man. Awesome.
Awesome.
Wicked stuff, man.
So yeah, this is Abby. You like the apple?
Yeah.
Good? Man, we're into the beach now.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're at beach, and oh my god, it's absolutely amazing, guys. Like, it is so beautiful here. Okay, so we stopped in Portland, GMB Jerk Center in Portland to get some Jamaican jerk food, jerk chicken and jerk pork. The same radio station would have been in your car, though.
Zip.
So yeah, this is how our jerk pit looks in Jamaica.
No food? You can understand.
Yeah.
What do you have?
Jerk pork and jerk chicken.
More on the pork.
That inside the bar, yeah?
Jamaican jerk pit.
One man. What?
You ever had jerk chicken before?
You test it.
Tested? No jerk pork though. No jerk pork yet?
I don't think so. Maybe you had one in the.
This is.
Hast du schon mal pork chicken? No, I think we hadn't yet.
Huh?
But we had red snapper. It was.
Red snapper, was it good?
Yeah, it was delicious.
Oh, that is hot.
Pork and chicken. Pork. The beauty.
Jerk pork.
Well, jerk pork, Jamaican
Yeah.
style. The anything. Perfect. So yeah, it's been an awesome day so far. Everybody enjoyed. The Germans enjoyed. I enjoyed. Sorry about the noise. But the Germans enjoyed, I enjoyed, and we all had a blast. So now it's food time and then heading back to Kingston. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you've reached this far, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these amazing videos. I hope you all had a wonderful night last night. Like, I hope you all slept well. Frisky, come out of my bag. Sir, I have bags under my eyes because I don't get no sleep yet. Oh my gosh. But it's road trip day, road trip day, road trip, road trip, road trip day. So hate waking up this early in the morning. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna manage the early shift. Usually I'm sleeping at this time. I wake up at 1 in the afternoon to go to work. Stopping at Cafe Blue. Jamaican coffee.
Yes, actually, yeah. I think they do an annual roadworthy certificate.
When I go to Marley, it's perfect to like the empty template, you know?
I gotta say that today is just awesome. Like, the places that we've been to for this road trip is like the best I've been on so far. I don't know, this is so pretty. And look at this, oh my god. Wild horses over there. What's on my hair, right? Assume me because I'm like super excited today. But let me just have a moment, like guys, let me just have a moment. Yo, look at this, guys, like, yo. This is so freaking pretty, you wouldn't even understand.
Come on, boy.
They're like, oh, hey, instead of just in the big box. And you know it, bob your head. It's a happy end, you know it, bob your head. Alright, don't. Ah, have a hug? Oh my god.